Most life on Earth plays it safe, sticking to the comfortable Goldilocks zone. But some organisms don't just survive in the extremes, they thrive. They are called extremophiles, and they live in places that would kill a human instantly. In the scorching desert, the Australian thorny devil doesn't need to find a puddle. Its skin is a network of microscopic grooves that channel morning dew straight into its mouth. It literally drinks with its skin. In the freezing Arctic, the polar bear isn't what it seems. Its fur isn't white, it's transparent and hollow, trapping air for insulation. Underneath, its skin is pitch black to absorb every last ray of sun. But the real wonders live where the sun has never reached. In the crushing darkness of the deep ocean, 90% of animals make their own light. Anglerfish dangle glowing lures to attract prey in the eternal night. And at the very bottom, volcanic vents spew superheated toxic water. Here, giant tube worms have no mouth or stomach. They rely on bacteria that eat pure toxic sulfur and convert it into energy. It's called chemosynthesis, and it proves life doesn't need the sun at all. This discovery changes everything for our search for life on other planets. But the undisputed champion of survival is a microscopic creature, the tardigrade or water bear. When things get tough, it expels 99% of its water, curls into a ball, and just waits. In this state, it can survive the vacuum of space, boiling water, and lethal doses of radiation. Add a drop of water and it wakes up, sometimes decades later, completely unharmed. These creatures show us that the rules of life are far more flexible than we ever imagined. They're not just survivors, they are proof that where there is a source of energy, any source, life can find a way.